a New Year's Eve reflection. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, we gather together, enveloped in a warm embrace of hope and nostalgia. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, the clinking of glasses, and the rustle of fireworks waiting to be set free. In this moment, we pause to reflect on the year that has passed, a year filled with both challenges and triumphs. We think of the lessons learned and the memories created. Every smile shared and every tear shed has shaped us, teaching us the value of resilience and gratitude. As we stand on the brink of a new year, we envision the possibilities that lie ahead, the new beginnings, the goals yet to be realized, and the dreams waiting to be chased. Let's make a promise to ourselves, to embrace each day with courage, to spread kindness, and to live in the present moment. And as the clock strikes midnight, let us join our voices in celebration. Together, we will welcome the new year and all it brings. May it be filled with love, laughter, and endless opportunities. Here's to a new year, a new chapter, and the endless possibilities that await. Happy New Year!